You may have noticed a COVID-19 PPE surcharge expense on your bill after eating out. If so, you're not alone. South Carolina diners say that they've noticed the surcharge recently after being given a bill. It's something that's becoming more common around the country due to the pandemic. News 2's Riley Benson joins us now live from downtown Charleston. And Riley, you had a chance to speak with people who were left with questions after noticing this extra charge on their bill.
Yeah, Carolyn, that's right. A 2% surcharge for COVID-19 and PPE added to the bill to Low Country Restaurant. And while that 2% doesn't amount to much, some say it's not the first time they've seen the charge, and there certainly won't be the last time either. A 2% COVID surcharge at a Low Country Restaurant, some charging even more. Customers say the extra charge was a surprise.
If they're struggling and they're needing more money to help, I mean, there's other ways to do it than just charging the customers. Start a GoFundMe, do something.
The surcharge handed out in the Low Country was listed for COVID and PPE purposes. Customers say it should be communicated up front.
I understand that there could be some extra charges that people have to recoup things from, but I don't think it's a great idea if you don't tell your customers, because you want those customers coming back.
The extra charge is popping up across the country, some places adding a surcharge well into the double digits. Peggy Maxwell believes that most customers will be willing to pay the additional fee.
So I think if you're going to add an extra 2% or 5% onto a bill, that you need to let the customer know.
Signs, social media, or verbal communication, Maxwell says it wouldn't take much to keep customers informed.
That should be something that maybe you posted in your window, or it was something, I know when you have the digital menu, there's pop-ups just to let people know.
Maxwell says the surprise wasn't a welcomed one for her and believes restaurants being upfront is the best option during an already difficult time.
But putting it on there without telling anyone, I don't think that's the best option, and I think it might make people angry, and right now you don't want people not coming into your restaurants.
Now, I have reached out to the Low Country Restaurant that handed out that surcharge. I'm still waiting to hear back, but of course when we do, we'll be sure to share that with you both on air and online. Live in downtown Charleston, Riley Benson, Count on 2.